Hello everyone. In this video, we will walk you through the process of purchasing XRP on BitGet. Whether you are a seasoned trader or new to the platform, this guide will help you acquire XRP with ease. So now let's begin. First, visit the BitGet website and click on the sign up button. Enter your email address and set a secure password. After that, check your inbox for a verification email and confirm your registration. Next, log into your BitGet account and navigate to the identity verification section. Now, upload the required identification documents to complete the verification process. After that, click on the Assets tab in your account. Choose the deposit option and select your preferred deposit method such as bank transfer or credit or debit card. Complete the deposit process by following the on-screen instructions. Now on the home page, click on Buy Crypto. So after that, in the list of available cryptocurrencies, select XRP. Choose your preferred payment method such as credit or debit card or third-party payment provider. Next, enter the amount of XRP you wish to purchase. Check the transaction details including fees and exchange rates. After that, confirm the purchase and complete any additional authentication steps if prompted. Once the transaction is complete, your XRP will be credited to your BitGet account. Now, by following these steps, you can easily purchase XRP on BitGet. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.